The Ford F-150 is more than just a truck, it's a symbol of American ingenuity, resilience, and hard work. For decades, it has been the best-selling vehicle in the United States, and for good reason. The F-150 combines rugged durability with cutting-edge technology, making it a versatile companion for both work and play. Whether you're hauling heavy loads on a construction site, towing a trailer for a weekend adventure, or simply navigating daily life, the F-150 delivers unmatched performance and reliability. What sets the F-150 apart is its ability to evolve with the times. From its powerful gasoline engines to the groundbreaking hybrid and fully electric models, Ford has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. The F-150 isn't just built tough, it's built smart, with features like advanced towing assistance, customizable drive modes, and a spacious, tech-filled interior. It's a testament to Ford's commitment to meeting the needs of its drivers, no matter the challenge. But beyond its specs and features, the F-150 represents something deeper, the spirit of perseverance. It's a vehicle that has carried families, businesses, and dreams across the country, embodying the values of determination and ambition. The Ford F-150 isn't just a truck, it's an American icon, a trusted partner, and a testament to the power of innovation and hard work.